Yeah, flip camera. So, what's the, excuse me, gentlemen?
Yes.
What's the best thing about the Freedom Boat Club?
You! Yeah.
Good answer. No, it's Captain Phil.
It's the freedom it gives you.
The freedom it gives you. You having a good time, Jerry?
Amen. Best Sunday, Palm Sunday ever.
Awesome.
Freedom to choose whatever boat you want.
That's awesome.
And you don't have to wash it or anything.
And here comes Miss Ruth.
First time doing this.
Good job. One hand for you, one hand for the boat. That's what my dad always said. You're doing great. See, Dad, I do listen to you.
And he knows.
And he does know. This is our beautiful city, blessing of the fleet. Captain Phil doing an awesome job. Round of applause for Captain Phil. Woohoo!
There's my drink.
We'll get it for you. I'll get it.
My drink. He said he would bring it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Blessing of the fleet. We got our pumps. Okay, so where are we supposed to be?
We don't know.
It's alright.
We were supposed to be behind the damn boat that's way up there in the front.
Oh.
Well, that means all the boats are there.
Is he talking to us?
We're in front of them.
What did she